So we're just walking down to the Canopy walkway thing. And there are most people behind me. Nice shade here. So outside?
Yeah. Oh.
Cozy then.
Oh, it's cool here. Nice and cool.
Nice down there. Cozy Angel. There you go, Mags. At the back we got so Nikki Seal.
What up? We're at some kind of walkway, but I don't know what it's called.
Lole. I'm tired already and we just started. Is this the beginning of the walkway?
Oh,
You remember
Shucks, this is
Are you scared of
steep.
It'd be lighter with Okay, bring it.
CJ.
what's up there, Si?
She's crossing.
Huh?
Lole.
I got a good enough view here.
Yes, she is. CJ. We got Sonic.
Yo!
What's my one?
Yeah!
There we got Seal walking across.
What up?
Is this safe?
Should be.
Yeah, that's what we like to bring CJ across.
Jeez. Hello. Oh, okay, another one.
What are these ego onesie?
What are these? Oh, no. There's one of these. I'm Silla from walking up.
We are gonna have a seat. We are gonna have a seat. You coming up? You gonna come up?
That'll see over there on that side.
Now let me go. She's there.
Yeah, let's...
Walking across. It's pretty much this wood ladder underneath. Yeah. We got these guys over here. Max. Are you gonna take a photo of me or?
Come on, Lole. You wanna come?
Oh wait, she's somewhere down there.
Come on, we all wanna come over. Yeah, come on, mate.
Wait, I'm taking a photo.
Why did they not come up?
See, yeah, this area down there. Making my way across. Yeah. I think I need two hands here, but that's alright. Why is it bouncy? Oh, what did I hear? Oh, yeah. Got my face is cool walking around. No hands, but that's alright. Here's a Seal and
What up? You made it,
these
Lole.
guys. So how do I get over?
And
Are you ready, Langa? Come now.
Oh, you can walk down here.
Now, if you look closely to the architecture of this bridge, it's really just a plank over a couple of ladders.
The whole thing is moving from me.
Whoa. That's real safe.
Did it just go lower?
No, it's not a dog.
How was that crash?
Yeah, pretty good.
Yeah.
Bit wobbly, but it was good. And if it was longer, then more height to it.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah, you're almost there, Linga.
You're almost there, Linga.
You do your catwalk now.
What?
Do your catwalk now.
Qua whewhia kingi. You made it.
That was pretty awesome and pretty scary at the same time.
That was so sad how the man goes. Only one at a time, not two.
Let's go, Lenny. You scared of cat?
It's pretty scary, eh?
You can do it, Lynn.
Do you want to go back?
It's like swinging side to side. That is dangerous, I reckon. That's pretty high, eh?
Lenny. Good work, good work.
Look at over there.
Fun. How was that little experience?
Awesome, it was extravagant.
Should we go back? If they're not coming.
Sorbet's coming. Come on, legs!
Oh, she looks a bit.
Oh no, Megs is...
Scared of height.
Yeah, she's real scared of heights.
You alright?
You can do it,
No,
Megs.
don't look down.
Look up at us.
Look straight ahead.
Look over here, Meg.
Look straight ahead.
Just think, the child tequila, me and my margarita.
Walk straight ahead. Don't look down, Megs.
Take one step at a time. You don't need to rush. It's pretty scary though. Let's try to swim it.
Yeah, sure.
Sure.
Sure, Megs, you conquered it. You conquered it.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
What can I say?
What can I say?
What can you say? What you say?
Crash.
Go say. Yeah, say. Oh, should we write our names? Because they did. Yeah, good one. I just want to go swimming now. That's so dangerous, man. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him, man. Well, I'll get a head start. My hand. When they do.
Safe as though. Yeah.
Can you swim that fast, Simon?
Oh, I just squeezed.
Oh, what a squeeze.
Yes.
Running.
Going fast. Dropping it. Dropping it.
Should we go down? Yeah.